If there is a city that can make you fall in love at first sight, it is Edinburgh. It's a city full of history, legends and lively streets. With its castle, green parks, centuries-old pubs and endless cultural offerings, Edinburgh is perfect for a city break. The Scots are sociable, open, polite, passionate about music and proud of their land. So you will feel very welcome in this city. The best thing about Edinburgh is that it is a well-preserved city with a lot of history and legends. You'll find monuments, plaques and references to illustrious citizens or historical events at every turn. Edinburgh seems like a magical city straight out of a fairy tale. An ancient city where every step we take is steeped in history, adorned with stone houses, castles and ghost stories. Edinburgh Castle, its most famous landmark. This fortress presides over the Scottish capital from the top of a volcanic hill called Castle Rock. It is visible from almost every corner of Edinburgh's city centre. A building steeped in history, the scene of fierce battles, and where Scottish kings have been born and died. The castle is situated at the western end of the Royal Mile, the main street of Edinburgh's beautiful old town. The Royal Mile is not exactly a street, but a succession of streets, the most famous in Edinburgh. The whole of the old town is built around it. On the Royal Mile, you'll be able to see many of the city's most iconic landmarks. You'll pass St. Giles Cathedral, the Market Cross, the Tron Kirk, John Knox's house, Canongate Church and the Scottish Parliament. If you have some time to explore it further, don't hesitate to wander down some of the more than 80 narrow alleyways that crisscross it, known as closes. If you like to visit museums, there is plenty on offer and free of charge, from modern art, history, science and culture, and of course a museum about whiskey. If you like art, the National Gallery of Scotland is the most important, where you can find works by renowned artists. And if you like science, nature and culture, you must visit the National Museum of Scotland. But Scotland is also synonymous with whiskey, and you can't miss its museum, located in the centre of the city, close to Edinburgh Castle. You find the Scotch Whisky Experience. Spending a morning strolling around the city centre is well worth it. And that's where you'll find Victoria Street, perhaps Edinburgh's most beautiful street. Victoria Street is located in Edinburgh's Old Town. The street makes a surprising curve, connecting the Royal Mile with Grassmarket, but it also has the particularity of having two levels. On the lower one, the street with beautiful shops painted with colours, and on the upper one, where there are terraces and restaurants. It is only 200 metres long, but it is, without a doubt, the most beautiful street in Edinburgh. If you like to walk in parks and enjoy the fresh air and beautiful views, Edinburgh is a city with beautiful parks. Princess Street Gardens, right in the middle of the city and separates the old part of the city from the new, is ideal for a beautiful view of Edinburgh Castle. A little further on is Calton Hill, where you will find the National Monument, the Monument to Nelson, and the Star Observatory, with spectacular panoramic views of the whole city. Further out of the city is Holyrood Park, home to Arthur's Seat, a 250-metre high mountain ideal for hiking and enjoying the breathtaking views.